Hi, this is Adriana, and today I just want to share something that I got. Remember my previous videos about earthing, so I finally got a chance to order some of the products they have, and I just got the box. And this is what I got. I think it was a package, but I ordered it several days ago. So I got the movie, the earthing movie. I've seen it before, but it was a surprise to have it here. I forgot what I had. And the book on earthing, the most important health the discovery ever by Clint Over. And then the magazine, and they had an interview. In the movie, I saw an interview they had with Mariel Hemingway. Very interesting and very nice. And I got a hat to be grounded while sleeping. This is gonna be very fun. It's supposed to make you sleep a lot better because you're grounded. So as long as your skin is touching the pad, that's how it's going to be working. Oh, it's very soft. The material is very soft, and I believe it's carbon they had on the material. So this is for the mattress. It's very nice, breathable. And I'm looking for where you connect it. I don't know, I have to read the instructions. Anyways, these, what I believe are patches. The patch kit. So, opening. So there are several patches that you connect. And I believe these are for when you have pain or something, and this is how you connect it. And your prong that goes to the ground outlet. And the tester. So the tester and a mat for the chair. You can put your feet here, or you can put it underneath your computer. Nice. And you're going to be grounded while you're working and while you're inside. So this is pretty good. This is a, my goodness, this is a good size mat. And this is where you connect it. That is awesome. Like Christmas. So if you want to learn more about grounding, just you can look for the videos. There are tons of videos about grounding and how everything came about. The interviews with Clint Over. And this video is another video for SalesVision video challenge, 100-day video challenge. So remember, if you have a product to sell, a business to promote, you can promote it for free. You can create a free account in SalesVision, and you will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.